Hello schools in the Catholic Primary Partnership. We are offering you a chance to be part of a values, virtues and character literacy engagement project with our specialist poets. Celebrate and promote your school values with 2 interactive 1-hour assemblies. 1 hour with Key Stage 1 before lunch and 1 hour with Key Stage 2 just after lunch. Reinforce your school's core values as each year group has fun with inclusive language. We also have over 150 values and virtues to choose from. Each interactive assembly is led by a laureate level performance poet, specialist in mass literacy engagement, offering pupils an opportunity to increase their curricular attainment, cultural capital, as well as listening and public speaking skills. Play a sample assembly in our Google Slides landing page, which demonstrates a range of engaging activities from fun rhyming couplets, call and response poems, beatboxing, performance hints and tips, and a mini showcase demonstrating lots of creative ideas for your school's WOW Day launch of values literacy. Post-visit, staff can access and utilise our click and play, engage, page, stage and digital age activities. These can be used as isolated lesson fillers or as part of a scheme of work, enabling pupils to write poetry, perform poetry and produce their own animated poetry using Google Slides. We also support teachers with regular CPD sessions online where they get to meet the authors and facilitators for further assistance and inspiration. The final output can then be showcased in July and featured in the Catholic Primary Partnership Digital Anthology, a digital legacy of values literacy. Your content could be shared on the school's website or internal screens, in reception areas or around the school, on social platforms, or as lesson content to engage students on themes produced by fellow pupils, celebrating pupil voice on important topics such as your school's core values. Have a look at some samples of pupils' animated work from a recent project involving several Birmingham City University feeder schools. Themes celebrate a number of topics ranging from heritage to humanity. Overall, we are here to provide West Midlands schools the very best literacy experience that promotes inclusive language to help safeguard pupil and staff well-being, enrich the curriculum, support attainment and provide an engaging opportunity for students to raise their cultural capital through spoken word poetry. To book your date and receive access to the resources, please get in touch via schoolbooking@memorime.org. Thank you for listening. I am the CEO and former shortlisted Birmingham Poet Laureate, Alan Curly McGeechee. Look forward to working with you soon. Bye for now.